बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप खैरियत से होंगे। आज लेक्चर नंबर 8 के साथ टीचर एज अ कोच में मैं आपके सामने हाजिर हूँ। आज इस मौजू पर मैं आपसे बात करूंगा, दैट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ये तमाम टीचर जो हैं पाकिस्तान के या आउटसाइड ऑफ द कंट्री हैं, कहीं भी हैं, उनको इस चीज के बारे में नॉलेज होनी चाहिए। ये ऐसी 4 स्किल्स हैं कि अगर आप बच्चों में क्रिएट नहीं कर रहे हैं तो सॉरी टू से हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं दुनिया में कहीं भी जो हैं लोग जो पढ़ रहे हैं वो आगे जाना उनके लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा। वो कौन सी 4 स्किल्स हैं थोड़ा सा मैं बात कर लेता हूँ उर्दू में, फिर इंशाल्लाह मैं इंग्लिश में इसको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा और साथ उसकी ट्रांसलेशन भी मैं साथ करता चला जाऊंगा। नंबर 1, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग। बच्चे को क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग सिखाएं। अगर बच्चे को क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग नहीं आएगी तो उसकी पढ़ने का, उसको आगे जाने का कोई फायदा नहीं होगा। द सेकेंड वन इज क्रिएटिविटी, इनोवेशन। इनोवेशन की तरफ स्टूडेंट्स को लाएं। जब तक आप स्टूडेंट से इनोवेशन नहीं करवाएंगे, उनको इनोवेशन वे नहीं बताएंगे तो वो भी स्टडी मीनिंगलेस है। द नंबर 3, कोलैबोरेशन। कोलैबोरेशन, टीम वर्क। यस, बच्चे को टीम वर्क आना चाहिए, उससे कोऑपरेटिव होना चाहिए ताकि वो जब अपनी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में आए तो वो कोलैबोरेशन, टीम वर्क और लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज उसके अंदर हो। द लास्ट वन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। और आजकल के दौर में अगर ये चीज आपको नहीं आ रही है तो सॉरी टू से आप बहुत बुरी तरह अपने प्रोफेशन में फंस जाएंगे और आप आगे ग्रो नहीं कर सकेंगे। वो है कम्युनिकेशन स्किल। कम्युनिकेशन स्किल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल है। आपको लोगों को डील करना आना चाहिए, बात करना चाहिए। अब डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रोफेशन है, अगर आप मीडिया में हैं तो आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल कितनी अच्छी होगी, आपकी मार्केट इतनी अच्छी होगी। तो इसी मौजू पे आज मैं आपसे बात करूंगा, बहुत तफसील से बात करूंगा। आई होप यू लाइक दिस लेक्चर। What are the 4 C of 21st century skills? At the middle of the high school career readiness, teacher need to teach 21st century skills as part of your curriculum. Yes, I think we must include these things in our curriculum. Why all 12 of those skills are necessary to teach? The 4 C are often considered to be the most important. The 4 C of 21st century skills are: number 1, the critical thinking; number 2, creativity; number 4, collaboration; and number 4 is communication. These 4 skills are important for the modern students to succeed in schools and workplace. They often make the biggest impact in the terms of the setting your students apart when applying for and starting their careers. Number 1, critical thinking is the practical of solving the problems among others qualities. In addition to work through the problems, solving the puzzles and similar activities, critical thinking also include element of skepticism. This is important in the 21st century because it is harder than ever to verify accurate information. Critical thinking empowers students to discover the truth in defense, especially when it's come to separating fact for opinions. With the critical thinking, student doesn't just learn a set of the facts or figures. Instead, they learn how to discover the facts and figures for themselves. They ask questions. They become attached in the world around them. They help others think critically too. That might be the most important part of the critical thinking. Once a student has it mastered, it quickly spread to their peers. The number 2, creativity, innovation. Creativity is the practice of thinking outside the box. Once again, you listen. Creativity is the practical of thinking outside the box. While creativity is often created like you have it or you don't, quality students can learn how to be creative by solving problems, creating systems, and just trying something they haven't tried before. Yes, they may be on the 100% of the time, and some of their peers may have strong appointed reactions, but it's tell them to speak up when they are working with others. The next we have the collaboration. Collaboration is the practice. Collaboration is the practice of working together to achieve a common goal. Collaboration is important because whether students realize it or not, they will probably work with other people for the rest of their lives. Virtually, every job requires someone to work with another person at some point, even if it's for something as simple as what to get for lunch. Practically, collaboration and teamwork help students understand how to address a problem, pitch solutions, and decide the best course of action. They may not be on the money 100% of the time, and some of their peers may have strong opinion reactions, but it will teach them to speak up when they are working with others. That's very, very important. The last one, number 4, communication skill. Communication skill, one of the best skills. Communication is the practice of conveying ideas quickly and clearly. Quickly and clearly. Communication is often of conveying ideas in today's society. After all, if you say something, that means to convey an idea, right? Not exactly. In the age of text-based communications, SMS, emails, social media, etc., it's never been more important for students to learn how to convey their thoughts in a way that others can understand them. That's because text-based communications like tone, lack tone, which is critical to understand the context of the some words. Still, even in the situation where vocal tone is available, students need to learn how to communicate effectively. Yes, that's very, very important. I think you learn these and to apply for your students. In this way, your student can perform very well. The last heading, how do the 4C work together? Listen again. How do the 4C work together? The 4C of 21st century skills let students create a whole that's greater than the sum of its parts. That may sound overly generalized, and you may be right, but the skills themselves are so general that's difficult to pin down what, why, how. Students should learn the 4C. It's most accurate to say that students need the 4C for any and every reasons. Critical thinking. Teaches students to question claims and seek truth. Critical teaching students to think in a way that's unique to them. Collaboration. Collaboration teaches students that groups can create something bigger and better than you can your own. Communication. Communication teaches students how to efficiently convey ideas. Combined. The 4C empowers students to become one-person think tanks. Then when those students get together, they can achieve almost anything. Thank you very much and God bless you.